Hi guys, MixedSid here. As you can see, welcome to windy Britain, and it's only fitting that we'll be doing the Hurricane today in cocktail number 5 in our summer themed cocktail. So I will show you how to make the Hurricane cocktail. First we're putting squeeze the lemon into the cocktail shaker. Add a dash of Grenadine. One tablespoon of sugar syrup. Well, in American you do call it cane syrup as well. Pure cane syrup, also sugar syrup as we know it here. Right, 3 parts of orange juice. Yep, 3 parts. And 1.5 part of Overproof rum. We are using the Wray and Nephew brand. Interesting bit now is actually lighted, actually set on fire this one. But we don't want to do that. 1.5 part, 37.5 ml of Bacardi white rum. This is going to be one box of it.
It's going to be what?
Because there's got to be one hell of a cocktail, this one. Just the strength of it alone. Oh, it's called a Hurricane cocktail, this.
Blow you away?
It certainly will blow you away if it don't blow your head off.
We don't want you to die on us yet.
Literally to die for. Oh, a fly.
Hurricanes are dangerous, kids.
Handle carefully. And that is all the ingredients. Put a bit more Grenadine as we'll do a little bit of dashes into it. Anyway, the last bit, that is the Hurricane cocktail. The final bit now is to garnish it. Last bit, and a straw to it. As you can tell on MixedSid here, we're getting a bit fancy, we're getting napkins. Hi guys, that is the Hurricane cocktail. How does it taste? Oh, that's a very strong cocktail, so treat it with respect this. But it's a lovely cocktail, plenty of rum, a nice summer themed drink, and it's only appropriate because it's our summer themed cocktail number 5, Cinco. There's some wind out here, it's only appropriate the Hurricane goes into it. Don't forget to check out my social media description below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you enjoy the video. And stay tuned for next week for our summer themed cocktails number 6. Thank you guys, see you later.